2025 Honda Ridgeline. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. You won't be able to pass up on these extra features. Cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, moonroof, backup camera, memory seat, tinted windows, rear air conditioning. Ready to take home the car of your dreams?